Welcome back to our home renovation project. Today we are making progress on the addition and giving you an updated tour. Let's see what we've been up to. I wasn't recording.
You weren't recording?
No.
Oh my god. I can't do this anymore. Hey, YouTube.
Hey subscribers.
We're driving. Picked up some pipe.
We're gonna lay some pipe.
It's in the back of the truck. Back there with Bella.
Oh, not me.
A little messy in here, but you know, that's how we do it here. What's the speed limit?
Slower than you're going.
Is it 35?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought it was 45.
And the cops.
Country road, take me home to a place.
How do you pull my leg?
How does that song even go? To the place I belong, West Virginia,
Alabama.
What? That is not what it said.
There was this kid who was going with their cousin to Alabama.
To get married?
I don't
Probably.
know, but I don't care because I don't really like that kid. He was annoying.
Join me as I record Brooklyn's epic truck driving skills and make her even more nervous with my overly dramatic commentary. Brooklyn makes backing up the truck like solving Rubik's Cube blindfolded. But with the right move, she'll get there eventually.
This door's gonna be gone and it's just gonna be a hallway. And you're gonna walk in. And the first stop is going to be Isabella's room, so I'll let her take over.
Oh, okay. So, I'm gonna do the TV. Then I'm gonna put a little chair right here.
Or like a TV stand, you know?
TV stand, yes. This is my little closet.
Yeah.
I got my window.
And then on this wall,
Metals.
yeah, medals and ribbons.
And then I got my loft bed, desk. I'm thinking I might put my bookcase probably where the TV stand's gonna be.
Yeah, like put a bookcase as your TV stand.
Yeah, and then I'm not gonna have my little posters.
Yeah.
And then my posters are gonna go all the way around, and I think I might have some. Oh my gosh, Brooklyn, I literally caught it. Anyway, so I think I might have pictures of my dumb friends
Yeah?
and baby pictures of me because I'm always cute.
In order to keep our crawl space dry and free of moisture, we've installed a mini leach field system that drains excess water away from the foundation of the house. And in case of emergencies, we've installed that green pipe that's sticking out of the ground so we can pump out any excess water that may accumulate.
Like my friends and stuff or whatever, and then either on this side, I don't think I'll put it on this side, but I think I'll put it on this side. I'm gonna put like a desk with like a big mirror with like lights so that I can like do my makeup and everything, you know. And then right here's gonna be my bed, and my bed's gonna be pretty, like it's gonna go about to like over here, but I'm gonna have like a shelf right there, and I'm gonna put across this wall, I'm gonna have shelves, and it's gonna be really cute. And then right here's gonna be my TV. underneath it, I'm gonna put like a bookshelf type dealio. And then coming over here, I might put like my dresser here. But if I don't put my dresser here, I'm definitely either on this side or on this side, I'm gonna put a bulletin board and I'm gonna put my letters and my state patches from going to state as a freshman for marching band.
I got your eye picture. Why do you keep covering your butt?
Cause you told me it has dirt on it. If my butt has dirt on it, it's because we were working out here and I was like
you every time you walk, you're like,
we were walking in the mud. Anyways, this right here is gonna be my closet, and I might put my dresser in here. I don't know yet, but this is my closet. This is the hole to get under the house. And then yeah, and then Bella can do. I'll record the rest.
So it's not just my dad working in this segment. I'm actually doing some work too, but you can't see me because I'm stuck under the house in the crawl space, playing in all the mud.
this is gonna be our sinks.
This is our bathroom.
My sink.
This is Bella's.
Brooklyn.
That's my sink.
And this is where we're gonna go to the bathroom, do our business. We got a little
Window right there.
for people
For
who are
natural light and creepers. And then right here, we're gonna have our shower. It's gonna be really big.
So we're gonna have a little bench
Yeah.
here, so we can like sit down, do our thoughts, or
Shave our legs. Yeah.
Then
Our shower head's gonna be about right here.
And then we're thinking that the shower is gonna go straight down to us.
Yeah, so we can like sit down and wash our hair and stuff.
Sit down and wash your hair. So you know, like you get really tired.
Yeah, when you're doing an everything shower. Anyways, and then this might be taken to a half wall so that we have a little shelf for stuff. But we don't really know yet. We might take this
What's a
door
half wall?
down half a wall, like so where it's only goes to be here.
So it goes like we take this part right here.
Yeah. Anyways, this is gonna be my vanity. They're gonna have like mirrors and then storage. And then I think somewhere in the bathroom we're gonna have like a dirty clothes basket.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna have hooks on the wall for our towels.
Cause it's so hard, cause then your towel is like on the toilet or like.
Yeah, and like it's just easier. And then I think we're gonna have like shelves. But I think we won't have to have shower caddies because we can just keep all our stuff in the shower.
Exactly.
Anyways.
While my dad's out doing the backfilling in this video, I'm stuck at the office fighting battles as a keyboard warrior. But as soon as I'm free, I'll be able to get my hands dirty with the rest of the crew. The crew's my dad and me. And the girls that you're seeing in this video that we're supposed to be helping but just filming. And probably the interesting stuff. Dad's in a rush to finish up the backfilling today. He's got a plane to catch, and he's going somewhere warmer than here.
Which way should we go? We'll go this way. So then we're gonna come out of Isabella's room, and this is our hallway. And so right here, you can't see it now, but it goes inwards. Like there's a little, you can see this goes in. So this is gonna be our little study nook. So there's gonna be a desk and some chairs, and then there's gonna be an iMac, and then we're gonna have a little mini fridge.
Right here.
Like on the floor, or we're gonna have it somewhere. We might keep it on the desk, but we're gonna have like two like spaces for us to study and like do homework.
And then we're gonna have our
we're gonna have cabinets and we're gonna put like snacks and like school supplies.
School supplies, snacks, and anything you need because you get hungry when you're doing homework.
Yeah, like when you're doing homework, you need stuff. And if you get up to go get it, you stop studying. Then on this wall right here, we're gonna put a bunch of pictures of me and Bella because this is our side of the house. So we're gonna put a bunch of pictures of us, some of me doing marching band and then some of Bella doing like cross country and wrestling and track. All the crap she does. Anyways, that is our finished tour of our house.
Did we get the house part? Because it wasn't.
Yeah.
Alright, good.
Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. If you want to see a really good video, go watch our Georgia vlog.
Which is the best video. It took us
Yeah.
5 days to.
We made it in 5 days and we vlogged everything we did. So it's super cute.
Like we were like, alright, we're gonna go to sleep now.
Yeah, so like and comment, like and subscribe, and let us know if you want more day vlogs. And then
Like so much.
yeah.
That would be beautiful.
Yeah, and then if you want us to make more vlogs like our Georgia trip vlog, we might. We might make one of us going camping during the summer. So just let us know and like and subscribe for more. Bye. Mwah.
Bye. Mwah.